In this video, I will show you step by step how to get Bybit address. So if you want to get the Bybit address, first up, after you open up your Bybit app like this, so the first thing to do, now we tap on this asset at the bottom right side. After you go to asset, so now we tap on this deposit button. So under the deposit, now go to this deposit crypto. So from this option, now we tap on this search and search for the crypto you want to receive. So let's say I want to receive like USDT or any coin. So let's say after you search for the coin in this option, then we tap on this and select the coin from the list given. So from this option, now you need to choose a network. So now it will give you this, as you can see now. Now we tap on this network option. So now here are different network under the coin that you selected. So just scroll to down and select the network. So for this video, I will go with this ERC20 network, that's Ethereum. So after you select the network, so now here it is now your address. That's it guys on how to get Bybit address. This is a copy button. So if you want, you can copy or you can save the address as picture. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.